Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. I'm Haeryung. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Sashimi Kimchi Salad. This is my family's favorite. Very simple, you don't need to use heat. So here in Singapore, very hot, right? And the kitchen usually is closed, so it's very hot. You don't want to cook that much. This one, no heat. Very simple, quick, easy, and super delicious. Let's get started. Let's check the ingredients for today. So here, I have three kinds of sashimi: boiled tsubukai, and boiled taco, and scallop, hotate. You can use any sashimi. Usually I use a salmon, Thai, white fish sashimi, and anything like a prawns, botang ebi, anything is fine. Shiso leaves and Myoga, Japanese ginger, and here my kimchi. I already cut into small pieces, and these are the seasonings, the sauce, soya sauce, red chili pepper powder, grated garlic, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and chopped leek. So sashimi, you can use as it is. Just I bought something already on the slice and ready to eat. But I'm going to cut the smaller pieces. I'm going to cut into 2 pieces. Easier to eat. So I cut the sashimis into smaller pieces. Let's cut shiso and myoga. Cut the myoga in half. And slices. Julienne stripes. Some pink stripes. Cut the shiso leaf. Myoga and shiso done. Let's make the yum for the salad. Yum into sauce. So I'm going to add grated garlic, red chili pepper powder, chopped leek, sesame seed, sesame oil, and soya sauce. Combine the all ingredients for the sauce. And sauce is done. So we made yum, the sauce for the sashimi salad, and cut the myoga and shiso leaves. Also sashimi slices, and kimchi I cut it in advance. So this is my kimchi. You will learn how to make my kimchi later on my channel. So let's finish making kimchi sashimi salad. So here I'm going to add the sauce and mix. I'm going to add my kimchi here. Two Myoga and shiso toast. Sashimi kimchi salad is done. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cooking videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.